Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. My name is Mo, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about my investing portfolio, the cryptocurrency portfolio that I have with Wealthsimple crypto account as well as Coinsquare, and I'll walk you through a weekly challenge that I'm going to start on this channel investing in the cryptocurrencies. For those of you who have watched the past videos on Momentum channel, you know that I am pursuing financial freedom and financial abundance. And one way of doing so is through investing in the stock market. I do that both actively and passively. This way, I get to invest in an asset class that actually appreciates over time and also generates passive income for me through the dividend income or contributions received from different equities such as real estate investment trusts. That being said, most recently I've started to kind of start a position investing in the cryptocurrencies. Over time, I intend to gradually grow that amount, though I do perceive the investing in the cryptocurrencies as more of a speculative. And so it's not going to be a large portion of my investments, but rather a much smaller portion of my overall investment portfolio. So I indicated that I started an account with Wealthsimple Crypto. This is a newer account that I've opened up, and I'm going to today walk you through that account as well as my account that I have with Coinsquare. That's an account that I opened several years ago, but I was not active in it. Nonetheless, I want to walk you through it because that's as well a larger portion of my investment in the cryptocurrency is actually with Coinsquare. I'm trying both of them in different sense. Each of these accounts have their pros and cons. Either it's Coinsquare or crypto. So we'll walk through them and I'll walk you through what has been the return on my accounts. And from there on, the plan is every week I will provide an update about my cryptocurrency accounts that I have and how they are doing over time. One thing I want to flag is that, as I indicated, I'm not going to put in a ton of money into my crypto accounts. I'm thinking perhaps around $50 to $100 per month. And over time, I will be adding and buying more shares of different cryptocurrencies that we're going to talk about. So let's get into it. All right, as you can see here, the account that we have with Wealthsimple Crypto, it was showing a total balance of about 201 Canadian dollars. 1 month return was showing to be at the 9.15%. 1 week return of 7%. We had a 24-hour return negative and 1 hour return of negative as well. And 3 months return of 34%. 1 year return of 34% because this account, as I mentioned, hasn't been open for a long time. I'm just going to quickly show you how during that time I actually decided I'm going to buy some cryptocurrency Bitcoin we bought just about proportionally $8, and the process it goes through Wealthsimple. The order has been completed and we bought $8 worth of cryptocurrencies. Now with cryptocurrency Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency available to Wealth Crypto, the one thing to keep in mind is that there's a spread between the price that you're buying it for as well as the price that they're selling it for compared to the one that you see real time. That's how Wealth Crypto is actually making some money off of your approaches to that. Now, you'd see how the prices of Bitcoin has really over time changed and as currently sitting as closer to 70,000 Canadian dollars. So that's a massive, increase for the price of Bitcoin over time, and you saw it earlier on. Now, let us hop on over to our other account, Coinsquare, and I'm going to show you real quick how we are doing here. All right, as you can see here on the Coinsquare account on our dashboard, we currently have $543 in our account. We have about $41 of it is available in Canadian dollars cash, and the rest of it is actually invested. About 93% of it is invested, and we are only in Bitcoin, BTC, and it is showing a total return and overall value of $501 US. Coinsquare, at least the way that you see here on the dashboard, it's a bit trickier for you to calculate what has been your overall return. So I had to really go back to my the previous deposit that I've made on the transactions. So as I looked into the transactions that I've deposited as well as what I've withdrawn from accounts, and after doing all the math, I noticed that the overall return for this portfolio is sitting closer to 12%. Now keep in mind, this account has been opened long time ago. I would say closer to 2 or 3 years ago, but I bought and sold, so I didn't have a lot of Bitcoin at the time. And I had actually a lot of Dogecoin, but unfortunately I did sell my Dogecoin at the price that it was before they actually had the crazy rally, and I opted for Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin did very well. Had I perhaps stuck with Dogecoin, I could have probably made a killing with the crazy rally that Dogecoin had. Nonetheless, you can never predict how these cryptocurrencies are going to react. And for the time being, I'm only investing in Bitcoin, but Ethereum or some other cryptocurrencies are the ones that one could consider and look into, not the ones that I've looked into as much, to be honest with you though. Do let me know whether you are investing in any cryptocurrencies at all as part of your investment portfolio. I would love to hear from you. And if you do let me know which cryptocurrency are you investing in right now. As always, I hope you found this video beneficial and you gained something of value from it. It is meant to be almost like a diary and documenting my journey investing in the cryptocurrency as more of a speculative investment avenue, and having some fun with it. And in the meantime, of course, learning from this experience and sharing it with our audience here on Momentum channel. But I would love to hear from you. If you found this video beneficial and you gained something of value from it and inspired you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from the video as well. It really means a lot to us and helps to grow Momentum channel. And if you have not followed us already, be sure to do so. Here on Momentum channel, we post weekly various videos about stock market investing, finances, financial freedom, and of course, as you see here, cryptocurrency investing. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you on week 2 of our cryptocurrency portfolio update. See you next time.